my bead drawer, at least one of my bead drawers, let me not get it twisted. One of my bead drawers, totally twisted. All of my bead drawers are kind of a mess. So I bought something from Amazing Savings. Here's before. And then that is a lot better. And I think I may run out and get more of those containers because I have a lot more beads. This is pretty good. Well, I went back and I got a couple more containers, more than a couple more. That now I can see what beads I'm looking for a little bit better. I've still got a lot more bead organizing to do, but this really helps. Amazing savings, y'all.